I couldn't draw that well when I was a kid. But this is wonderful, and a huge congratulations to Eden Red. I think this initiative is brilliant. I've always believed that all kids are artists. I think we're all born artists, and I think it's as much as someone pushes us. Someone takes the initiative to somewhere nurture that talent, that we somewhere use that creative energy in whichever profession we go into, probably later on in life. So I think it's great that Eden Red has taken upon itself to kind of have an organization, and all the very best. I hope you guys kind of spread the word, get more children under this cause and kind of uplift it, and it goes to more cities, more children get a chance to participate, there are more winners. It's just fantastic. So thank you very much, big congratulations, and thank you for calling me here today.
All of us in our childhood days, we've always wanted to be part of some kind of art form, craft हो या किसी तरह का art हो. And अगर कोई parent या कोई guidance उस चीज़ को push नहीं करता है या nurture नहीं करता है, तो I think it somewhere stifles it, और फिर वो progress नहीं होता है. तो I think ऐसे causes, initiatives ज़्यादा होने चाहिए हमारे देश में. I'm very happy that these children have come here from different cities. उनको एक मौका मिलता है contest जीतने का and be here and just show a certain form of expression जो यहाँ दिख रहा है आपको. I realized pretty late in life, जब किसी ने मुझे push किया, and then eventually I realized that this is something that I can do as a profession. और school से भी एक तरह से दिलचस्पी थी art में, craft में. I didn't take it further, I should have, but eventually yes, I came back to a certain art form of acting. My son loves painting, he loves he's got his crayons, his felt pens, and अभी 3 साल के हैं, तो he does a lot of it at home, scribbling at home. He started scribbling on the walls also, जो थोड़ा सा problem हो गया है, because you repaint it again and again. But I think he's a better artist than I was. मैं बचपन में definitely स्कूल में क्लासेस में आर्ट क्लासेस मैंने ज्वाइन किए थे, तो थोड़ा बहुत कर लेता था. जनरली मैं इतना अच्छा आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूँ. आई थिंक फॉर दैट आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ता है पेंटिंग में, किसी भी आर्ट फॉर्म में. सो दैट समथिंग आई लेफ्ट ऑफ इन स्कूल. लेकिन आई एम श्योर कि अगर कुछ वक्त मिले तो डेफिनेटली, अभी शूटिंग इतनी चालू है तो वक्त नहीं मिलता है पेंटिंग के लिए, बट डेफिनेटली आई डेफिनेटली वुड. बट ऑफ कोर्स ये एक हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन है. जो कॉज आएगा, क्या कॉज है, what are we pushing, what's the ideation behind it, I definitely would, I would be interested.